Hey everybody, I have a little bit of a online haul today. So we're going to open this Idahoan potato box. Be careful with your knives. So I went to Idahoan.com and I have another box I'll open in a different video. But they had these Vermont white cheddar, Wisconsin cheddar, and Monterey pepper jack mashed potatoes, and I've not seen these in the stores. Well, I'm not seeing much of anything in the stores. So I said yum, so I got those. Woo, sorry. Hope I didn't hit you in the head. And then they had these home style mashed sweet potatoes with butter and brown sugar. So I got those, and I've never seen these either. So, and there's 6 pouches in this one and 9 pouches in the other one. So you might want to go to some of the .com websites, and then it came with a cookbook, so that's cool. I got a 4-pack of Antibiotic Cream and like the Analgesic Cream. I'll put 2 of these in the dog supplies and 2 in ours. I don't know about where you live, but where I live, the pharmacy areas and stuff are pretty much empty. I got a family pack of Band-Aid brand bandages, and then I got a variety pack of the Curad antibacterial bandages, and you have your waterproof, your sheer, your heavy duty, your flex fabric, plastic. There's 300 bandages in here, and if you've ever had an injury or stitches or anything, you have to change your bandages regularly. So keep that in mind for yourself and your pets. If you have to doctor your pets, you're going to need to regularly change bandages. So I know that from all my slice, Dyson, and julienne procedures that I have had. There's 280 in this family pack. I got these on Amazon. They're very economical. I got some vacuum seal. They're not bags, they're the rolls, so you can make your own size, and there's 6 of those. And then this one is the bag, or this one, yeah, these are bags. So, and there's 200 bags in there, and there are, how many feet are it? They're 8 inches wide and 20 feet long on the rolls. Then I got Betty Crocker lemon, Krusty's cranberry orange, and the cinnamon swirl crumb cake. So those will be nice to have on hand for treats and breakfasts. And then I got some whole egg powder. I'm just trying various brands of that. That's 1 pound of eggs. I got some sage. If you haven't gotten your spices and ingredients for Thanksgiving and probably Christmas as well, you might want to do that. I got some lemon cream or lemon curd. That'll be good for pie or in that cake to put in the middle of a layer cake. And then I am a ramen noodle person, but I'm not too keen on the top ramen or the, what is it, Mandarin or whatever it is. I mean, I can eat it if I have to. And I buy my noodles on Asian Mart, and they are also running low. I have 2 more boxes of this, but we'll do this one first. Oh, hopefully you didn't. I'll have to look at that in editing. Have to be careful with the address. So, this is the spicy chicken ramen. It's one of my favorites. It is really hot. My husband laughs at me because I eat them with a hand towel to wipe the sweat. These are really hard to get. I wouldn't advise getting on Amazon. Amazon charges way too much for the noodles. And this one is like a spicy spaghetti. I really like those. And then I got this Tapatio chicken flavor cup. I wanted to try that. And then these are the black bean noodle. I really love the Korean black bean noodles. This is like a Funyun type deal, flavored. These are, I don't know what these are. Nothing's in English. It was on the website, but they are a different flavor. I think the spicy chicken flavored Cheetos. These are oven roasted chicken flavored Doritos. Never have seen those in America. And then these are like your Funyuns, but green onion flavored onion rings. So I will add those to my snack stash. So yeah, I will show you the other 2 boxes in a separate video. Excuse me. I did want to say that I've had a lot of people in real life and online mention the last video on the empty shelves, and everything's fine where they are at. It's going to happen, and it's going to happen quickly. We have over 60 boats off the coast of California that are just sitting. Once those cargo containers are unloaded, they just sit on the docks. Nothing's getting moved. There's a break in the supply chain. Chicago, same situation now. That's up north. So the northern states, it's been slow to hit up there. It's going to hit. There's also an issue down south along Texas, if you know what I mean. Just one bridge in that area, 15,000 people. All our resources that we're low on are going to other people. Not to mention we're handing out EBT cards, and I'm dead serious when I say they give them their EBT cards, put them on buses, ship them off throughout the United States. They have literally wiped out grocery stores. So we have a crisis down south. We have a crisis with our shipping situation, which also brings to mind, a lot of people talk about storing your stuff in optimal conditions. Well, your food's not stored in an optimal condition before you get it. So if you're worried about it being too warm or whatever, I don't think I would worry about it. Anyways, I just wanted to bring that up. I don't care where you live, you need to be putting some non-perishables on your shelves. Hubby's home, so I'm going to end this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.